बाळांनो, आज आपण इयत्ता 5वीच्या पान नंबर 25 वरील इंग्रजीच्या पुस्तकातील स्वाध्याय सोडवणार आहोत. 5. Fill in the appropriate dates and days. Dates. Yesterday, today, tomorrow. Today is 30 April. Yesterday was 29th April. Tomorrow will be 1st May. Yesterday was 12th January. Today is 13th January. Tomorrow will be 14th January. Tomorrow will be 7th September. Today is 6th September. Yesterday was 5th September. Days of the week. Yesterday, today, tomorrow. Today is Monday. Yesterday was Sunday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow will be Friday. Tomorrow will be Saturday. Today is Friday. Yesterday was Thursday. 6. Find and underline the following words on pages 22 to 24. Well, good, better, best. हे शब्द पान 22 ते 24 वर शोधा व त्यांखाली खून करा. 7. Find the opposites of the following from pages 22 to 24 and write them down. Tomorrow. Opposite word yesterday. Rich. Opposite word poor. Ill. Opposite word well. Come. Opposite word go. Work. Opposite word rest. 8. Complete the following using any suitable options from those given below. I don't. मी नाही. She doesn't. ती नाही. He doesn't. तो नाही. It doesn't. ते नाही. We don't. आम्ही नाही. You don't. तू किंवा तुम्ही नाही. They don't. ते किंवा सर्वजण नाहीत. No. Watch TV. Work here. Want it. Grow tall. Fall ill. Eat vegetables. Jump high. Get angry. Have a sister. आता आपण हे योग्य शब्द योग्य पर्याय निवडून हे वाक्य पूर्ण करूया. ठीक आहे. आय डोंट वॉच टीव्ही. मी टीव्ही पाहत नाही. सी डझंट नो. तिला माहित नाही. ही डझंट वर्क हिअर. तो येथे काम करत नाही. इट डझंट ग्रो टॉल. ते उंच वाढत नाही. वी डोंट वॉन्ट इट. आम्हाला ते पाहिजे नाही. वी डोंट नो. यू डोंट गेट अँग्री. किंवा यू डोंट फॉल इल. तुम्ही रागाला जात नाही किंवा तुम्ही आजारी पडत नाही. दे डोंट फॉल इल किंवा दे डोंट गेट अँग्री. ते आजारी पडत नाहीत किंवा ते रागाला जात नाहीत. 9. Listen to my question and complete it at once. Where's my pen? Where's my ruler? Where's my pencil? Where's my watch? Where's my dress? Where's your pencil? Where's your school bag? Where's your book? Where's your notebook? Where's your cupboard? Where's our library? Where's our school? Where's our farmer? Where's our city? Where's our mala? Where's the fan? Where's the TV? Where's the fridge? Where's the table? Where's the chair? Very good.